Hello loves, thank you so much for joining me in today. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. In today's video, we will be making hummus with our homemade tahini recipe, which I already shared on the channel in my previous video. I will list all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. To make our hummus, I have already opened 2 cans of chickpeas. I will drain and rinse it with some water. You can also cook your chickpeas from scratch. I will transfer everything into my Vitamix blender. You can use a food processor to make this as well. And if you are using a blender, make sure your blender is high powered so everything can blend nicely and smooth. To that, I'll be adding some garlic. I'll also add some cumin. Cumin is optional. If you don't like the taste of cumin, you can omit it. I'll also add half cup of my homemade tahini. I'll add some extra virgin olive oil, juice of 2 lemons, and some salt to taste. I will also add some water for easy blending. The amount of water you add depends on how thick or thin you want your hummus to be. I will add some water now and blend. As I blend, I will add some more water. And once everything is my blender, I'm going to be blending this into a smooth and creamy consistency. I will add some water now and continue to blend. In few seconds or minutes of blending, you will get a smooth and creamy, delicious and healthy hummus for eating all your veggies and also for snacking on your flatbreads or crispy flatbreads. I garnish mine with some extra virgin olive oil, just a drizzle, and also with some smoked paprika. The smoked paprika just gave it a very aromatic and tasty flavor. You will love this. So I enjoy mine with some crispy flatbread, some bell peppers. I like the mini sweet bell peppers. They are so nice, savory taste, and also some carrot or any other vegetable that you like to snack this with. You can also use this as a spread for your sandwiches if you are trying to avoid the eating of raw egg or just to try something new. This is a perfect and ideal recipe for pregnant moms because it has no raw egg, so it is a good option for you for your spread for your sandwiches. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.